Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the message, "Please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed," that appears when you try to open a website. This problem usually means that your browser is blocking a security check that the website needs. It is most often caused by an ad blocker, a VPN extension, disabled JavaScript, or corrupted browser data. Let us go step by step. First, check if you have an ad blocker enabled. Click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser. Next to your ad blocker, click on the three dots. Here you can choose Pause on all sites or Remove from Chrome. Either option will temporarily disable the ad blocker so you can test the website again. Repeat the same process for your VPN extension. In my case, I used Urban VPN, and I did exactly the same steps as with the ad blocker. Click on the extension, then the three dots, and pause it or remove it. You can also disable extensions through the Extension Manager. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, open Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. From here, you can turn off your ad blocker, VPN, or any other extension that might interfere with websites. Do the same for any other type of ad blocker or VPN that you may have installed. Next, we will check JavaScript. Open a new tab and click on the three dots again. Open Settings at the bottom. Use the search bar at the top and type JavaScript. From the results, open Site Settings. Scroll down until you find the JavaScript option and tap on it. Make sure that JavaScript is turned on. After that, restart your browser and try loading the website again. If that does not help, try clearing your cookies and browsing data. Go to your browser settings and open the option for clearing browsing data. Select Cookies, Cache, and History, and then delete them. Be aware that clearing cookies can sign you out of websites, and you may lose saved passwords if they are not synced. Next, check your date and time settings. First, look at the clock on your computer and see if the time looks correct. Then, go to the search bar on Windows and type Date. Open Date and Time Settings. In this menu, turn off the option Set Time Automatically and then turn it on again. Incorrect time can sometimes cause secure websites to fail. You can also click on Sync Now to refresh your time settings. Finally, try opening the same website in a different browser. Sometimes this error is linked to a specific browser or a specific server route, so another browser may load the page without issues. To recap, disable your ad blocker and VPN, enable JavaScript, clear your browsing data, correct your date and time, and try a different browser. One of these steps usually fixes the problem. That is all for this tutorial. If this helped you solve the issue, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more simple tech guides and browser tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.